Here is a guide on how to start making money online. This is a beginner video. This is a basic guide, which is a foundational information I have put up for you guys from my own personal experience. Yes. If you have come in across this channel for the very first time, I believe you don't know much about this channel. When you go through the videos I have here, you get to see more. But this is a problem that most people have when it comes to this particular context of how to make money online. When they come online, they believe that there is one imaginary money sitting down somewhere on the internet space, which they need to harvest. Yes, it's like you have your neighbor's farm that is done. All you have to do is go there and help him harvest. Then you get your own share and go home. It's bigger than that. That is why I don't believe in this concept of making money online. It does not really exist. Yes, the internet does not really work that way because there's no any money anywhere to be printed on the internet space. So, but from this beginner guide, you get to understand some certain things in this particular video. You need to know that is making money online a scam? Yes, for those that have done a lot of things online and you have been hearing stories, most of the time, some people have even contacted me that send me proofs, do this, do this. This is the reality. Is it really a scam? Or are the people just saying things that don't exist? You are going to learn in this particular video. Then another thing is, why is making money online really difficult? Is it really difficult? We are going to see everything in this particular video. I'm going to show you a short proof now. So this is my Amazon account. When I come to, I actually have something here. Let me go to my gift cards. I'm going to click here for you to see. You can see this is $7. But I never put this money there. Look at it. Let me click. When I scroll down, you get to see certain things. You can see these are redeemable gifts from different platforms that have sent to me here. How was I able to do this? And the good thing there is I can top up this money with this gift card and buy something on Amazon and get it delivered to my place. Yes, it will work. I'm going to show you one of the proof. One of these days I'll do it in this particular channel. So let's go in detail to see other things. Why are you choosing the online space? Why? No money online, but you are choosing the online space. Why? You are going to know all these things. Then we'll go further. I'm going to be explaining the step by step to making money online using all the social media platform. And you need to understand that the internet space is actually a career path. Yes, you need a proper strategy on how to make money online. So let me go now to begin to explain everything in detail for you to see. I'll show you that proof of that money there. So for those of you that have been scammed severally on the internet space, you need to understand that there is actually no any money online. Yes, I keep saying it. There's no any money online. What you are supposed to do is you are supposed to provide a value for people. Then they pay you in return. That is the basic truth. And for you to do that, there are things that are involved. There are things you need to know. Those are the things I'm going to be breaking down. This is the reason why to make money online is very difficult, because if you don't have a value to provide, it's going to be very difficult for you. That is why they keep creating all this app telling you tap swap, tap this, mining this, mining that. You are going to mine your life away. When you understand that it is a value, it is a reward for value you exchange, you will never waste a minute of your time tapping on any app. That is the truth. So I will go further. Then why are you choosing on the online space? This is the reason why some of us have chosen the online space. I've shown you a money. I'm going to be showing you more. Why are you choosing the online space? Let me go to this particular platform and I'm going to show you here. You can see I have only 2,800 something followers here, subscribers here. But when I come to this particular point, you can see 262,000 views. I'm going to explain. When I come down here again, this very platform, I have only 32 followers here. When I come here, I have 227,000 views, monthly visit. This is just monthly visit. You can see. So why do you need to choose the internet space? Let me go to Facebook now. I'm going to show you something. The reason why you are picking the internet space is because the internet is a platform that allows you to connect. You get visibility. Just like this particular platform I just showed you, it means 27,000 people have discovered me on this internet space, and there's a high chance that by the time I continue what I'm doing, they will come over to check over and over again. The same thing here, these 260 something people, it means I have been able to reach 260 something people without leaving my house. It means the internet has potential of making people discover you. And for people to discover you, you must have a value you are providing. You must be helping them solve a particular problem. This is it. So these things are not fluke. I will go in detail. If you have been to this channel, you get to see why I've shown several proof of different accounts. I'm going to be showing you more in this particular video. Then you can clearly see advertise. So most people that have wasted their time on the internet space looking for money are actually not their fault. They came on the internet space with a dysfunctional mindset about the internet space, which in this video I want you to correct it. You must correct it, because if you don't correct it, that is how you get scammed and you continue to waste your precious time on this internet space without any tangible result. When you see advertise here, the people who introduce this advertise are not fools. They know exactly what they are doing. So they make it possible for you to reach this 33 million people. Imagine having a business where you have 33 million people seeing what you are doing, and how many people do you think if they patronize you, you'll get? If you have this 33 million, even if it is 1% of this, let's say 200,000 visited your business, and you make a gain of just 1,000 naira within 365 days, how much do you think you would have been making? That is the truth now. I believe you are beginning to have a proper mindset about things I'm saying here. So why are you choosing the internet space? I've shown you some statistics. Yes, we are choosing the internet space because it's easier to gain visibility on the internet space than in real life, because those number of people I showed you, 27,000 people here from this particular point, having these people, imagine going from house to house, how many years do you think it will take me to reach these people? And if I go further to show you their location, you get to see that they cut across every part of the world. Even the same thing with this same 27,000. How much do you think I will spend on transportation to go and be telling these 27,000 people that this is what I have to offer here? That is it. You can actually see, begin to have a proper mindset. So you need to correct that mindset and need to know that the internet, there is no any money anywhere. It's the value you provide to people that they get to pay you in return. And if you must succeed in this, you need to see the internet as a marketplace. Yes. You cannot succeed when you wake up in the morning to go to the market if you don't have a clear understanding of what is being done in the market. So you must have a basic understanding of the web. That means you must have a proper understanding of the web. So you need to understand that people spend money, billions of dollars, to keep this platform running, from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and the rest of them. Yes, because it is a market. Where people spend billions of naira, you don't joke with it. You cannot rent a shop in a market for 1,000 naira. It's not possible. So for you to succeed in that market, you need to have a clear understanding of what is going on, and you must have a value you want to provide. You cannot go to the market empty-handed and expect to make money unless you are going there to steal somebody's property. So if you are coming online without a value that you've prepared yourself to offer, it means you are only coming there to steal. That is why most people, after wasting so many years, they end up on the internet as fraudsters. So you must delete that mindset. You must build a strong, reputable understanding. So steps to making money online, you must have a clear steps to making money online. So I'm going to be explaining this, a proper strategy. So it's not something you just go online and begin to follow one link to another. You are going to be exhausted at the end of the day. It's better you invest money to learn than spend the next 6 months of your life looking for money that does not exist anywhere. Nobody will give you a kobo. I'm going to prove to you that people have actually paid me here. Just watch this particular platform. When I come here, you can see $6 here. When I come here, you can see this is Ghana cedis, this is Kenyan shillings, you can see naira, and if I go down, you can actually see dollar here. So these are realities. There are no flukes about these things. So how do you now make money online? You need to understand that there are high potentials on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and the rest of them. Because you have access to this platform for free does not mean they are free. You need to understand that people spend money to keep this platform running, and the primary essence of creating this platform is not for free things. The people who design it create it for business purposes. That is why if you must make money online on any of this platform, they have criteria. So you must meet up with their criteria, and if you must visit Facebook to make money on Facebook, you must go to their business to look at it, business.facebook.com. This is where you see this advertised. So people who spend money on this platform already understand the game. So you need to have a clear understanding of the strategy that is involved. If not, you are going to be wasting your time looking for clicking up and down. At the end of the day, you will have your face self to be blamed. So in going further, So you need to understand this. So if tomorrow the owners of this platform that you are watching this video, getting this content from, decide to say it's not going to be free, just like the way Twitter is having some feature, what will be your fate? So you have to prepare your mind. So you need to know that for you to make money online, you must have a strategy, as I've said. And for you to have a strategy, is going to be a decision you are going to be taking. And this decision means you are going to be taking it as a career path. That's the bitter truth. So coming online today with hope of getting money tomorrow and run away, it doesn't work that way. That is why they keep telling you you have to be consistent if you go into content creation. Yes, the people who are saying that knows exactly. So if you are going into that part, you need to know that you have to take it as a business. As I've told you, the business side of things. You must follow the business side of things. So in following that business side of things, you are going to take it as a career path. And there is no career path on this earth surface that you take that you will not go into training. Training is very, very important. If you want to join the military, you have to prepare your mind to go through the training. And two things are involved. As you are taking that training, you are going to be taking a risk and you are going to be sacrificing some things. So it's better you do the same thing when it comes to the internet space than come online to look for money that doesn't exist. Because that's the truth. It's like somebody who wants to go into the military, but he doesn't want to go through the process of the training. If you are given access to that gun, you might kill yourself with that gun. Or if you are given access to that gun, you might go to a place where you get taken down before you realize what it is. Because there are a lot of things that are involved that you need to know when it comes to the internet space. That is the basic truth that most of you are running away from. That's why I keep saying it's better you spend 20,000, 30,000 naira to learn a skill that will help you make money on the internet space than spend the next 6 months of your life looking for money that doesn't exist, looking for one click to another, where at the end of the day, when you are done, you cannot withdraw the money, or they tell you they only pay on Friday, or they pay on Saturday, or they pay on any day. Forget about it. It's better you invest. So when it comes to when you are taking the business side of that thing, it's just like the way you create business in real life. It's a decision. So you have to prepare your mind for the risk that is involved in the business you are going to make. And in doing that, you are going to be training yourself to provide value. And in training, what will help you at the end of the day is you are going to become an expert. Yes, when you become an expert, you build that popularity. That is when people will trust you to give you that money. And by the time you do that, you're going to build a strategy on how to go about it. This strategy will involve identifying platforms that can make you work with them to make money. And how to use those platforms, those trainings, I will cover it. You need it, it is a must. You must know that this internet has rules and regulations from the foundation. Yes, there are rules and regulations governing it. A lot of people will try to make you feel you can cut corners, but let me tell you, those who go into content creation will tell you their experience. Some have had accounts with millions of followers disabled from monetization, and more will be getting disabled. This Facebook, this statistic I'm showing you now, let me tell you, few months ago, it has almost about 50-something million people here. Now, more than a reasonable number has gone down, and more will be going down as time goes on. So you need to know how to follow the rules. I've had people who have built strong online businesses here. They don't have a lot of followers. As I can show you, you can see, I personally, I don't have a lot of followers on my social media platform. When you are building real value, realistic value, there is a higher chance that you will not be having a lot of followers. Because you would rather invest your energy providing real value to people than gathering crowd that have no direction. So your decision and your direction must be clear. It must be straightforward. It must have a clear point to where you are going. That is how you get to make money on the internet space. And you must know the risk that is involved. The reason why most people who have built themselves on the internet space always ask you to pay money for training is, yes, they have taken the risk. Yes, they went through the process. It's not something you learn in one day. You cannot learn it in 7 days. You cannot learn it in 1 week. Yes, it takes a lot of time. It's going to cost you time. It's going to cost you money, and it's going to cost you your effort. Even your comfort. You must move out of your comfort zone. So it's not something you want to wake up today, you click, you get your money, tomorrow you go out. The system doesn't work that way. You cannot go into the business where there are people, top experts there, and a lot of people are competing, and you think you go there, you do your thing and leave. Even if you want to do gold business, you must connect with people who have spent years in the business to identify what is fake and what is real. The same thing, if you are going to the medical profession, you must go through the proper training, know the rules and regulations, know how to analyze the information, know what to avoid and what not to avoid. Else you go there and be killing people. So these are some of the basic things you need to have. So the training has remained very, very important, because that is what will keep you successful at the end of the day. You are going to be studying the trend, you are going to be adjusting, you are going to be updating. So that is why that's remained very, very expensive for a lot of people. That is why some people would rather go and be doing trial and error that will never work than really invest time to learn. There are no fast rules about these things. These things are realistic. You can see the payment I've shown you. When you go through the channel, you see more. I have a lot of videos that are coming up. If you are just coming across this channel, don't forget to keep a date. I know the video is long, but I believe you learned something in this particular video. A lot of people who watch videos 3 to 4 less than 3 minutes and they leave are the people who get scammed on the internet space, because they don't see value in the type of information we are giving here. They always think they can cut corners, then sooner or later they start screaming, show proof, show proof. You need to follow everything diligently. I have gone through courses that took me 4-5 hours watching just a single video explaining a single concept, and I have put up more resources which will be in the description box for you to also tap into. These are from personal experience I have built over the years. I believe it will also help you, that is if you are willing to put in the work. If your parents who train you from childhood to a certain stage are expecting you to also pay back by assisting them, then where do you think there are free things? It means literally there are no free things anywhere. So these are the realities you must tell yourself. You first need to delete that mindset of free things on the internet space, else forget about it. You are just wasting your time. You will not go anywhere unless you have that proper mindset to understand what is going on. So I'll be putting more video. Don't forget to keep a day. Don't forget to constantly check. There are more video tutorials on different strategies I've used, and they have actually worked. These are not hidden. Everything is there. Thank you very much.